So in this week's vlog, we are just trying to clean up the farm, get on top of the grass down at the farm, and we did a little renovations as well on the house, trying to get our stove recess ready for our new fireplace.
Morning. Super busy day, weekend at Whitbird. Just woke up, gonna go down, go for just a morning walk, like some eggs for brekkie. So just down at the farm now, we're just trying to clean up the farm. This is what neglect looks like. The grass is just so tall and there's a lot of stuff we need to clean up. We have completely neglected the farm, haven't we, Dev?
Yeah. Too long.
Yeah, like we've been working on the house and we have been... What have we been doing? Just the house. The house has taken up a lot of time. So every second of every day we're trying to get the house livable. And the poor old farm. But now that we've got power in the house and the house is sort of a bit more livable and a bit more comfortable, we're starting to bring our focus back to the farm and bring it back to life. So just starting to clean away the grass, clean up any mess, because when we moved the house, a lot of the stuff from the house just got put outside, or you know, like the stairs got removed and they're still sitting here, and like everything that from the chaos of moving the house and everything just got sort of dumped. So let's clean it up. Let's get back on top of this. Okay, ready, Debbie? At the farm, we're busy trying to replace this really tall grass with this grass, because this grass here is overgrown and it doesn't take over the world, like it only grows so tall. This other grass Devon's trying to clear away grows so tall, incredibly tall. So we're just trying to clear that away and then replant with this grass. Hey Lynn, you like that grass? Hey. Nice grass? Yeah! So that's the plan. So that every time it rains, we don't get inundated with grass. So we're trying to get on top of the grass.
hope
So-
it's not still fucking pending.
So we just got a mower. Hey Dev, this is to help us get on top of the grass down at the farm.
It's a good old bloody mower.
Yeah, let's hope it's a good old mower. So soon find out.
Old mowers are the best.
Old
for,
mowers.
for long grass.
Yeah.
Because the new ones are shit. They're just made for like mannequin lawns.
Yeah. Nah, she looks like she's gonna be a good old beaut. This will help us get on top of the grass down at the farm.
Yeah.
We need all the help we can get. Oh, there you go. You got him? Hey, Dave, your front wheel's a bit flat. There we go. Whoa! Oh shit! Jesus, buddy. Woohoo! Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. What is it? Oh. It's beautiful, Woozy.
Do you like that one?
Yeah, I do. Really do.